2021 vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2023 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat in white knuckle. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo 6-piston front brakes, blind spot and crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 830 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 476608.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.